In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove n8. We're walking through the n8n cloud interface to permanently delete your workspace and account, so follow along carefully. Before you continue, know that this action is irreversible. Deleting your account will remove your workflows, credentials, executions, and connected automations. If you think you might need anything later, pause and export your workflows or save any important configuration details first. Start by opening your n8n workflows page in the cloud dashboard. This is the main hub where you typically see your workflows listed. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one, because the deletion you're about to do applies to the workspace you're managing. Next, look to the left sidebar and open the admin panel. This is where all organization level settings live. From there, choose Manage. Manage is the gateway to workspace-wide controls, including the section you need to remove your account. Inside Manage, select Workspace. You'll see settings related to your workspace identity and controls that affect your account at the workspace level. In this screen, locate the option for Delete Account. Take a moment here to double check you're in the right place and that you've captured any data you might want later. Deleting an account stops all associated workflows immediately, and you won't be able to recover them. When you're ready, click Delete Account. n8n will typically surface a confirmation step to help prevent accidental deletion. Read the confirmation text carefully so you understand exactly what's being removed and whether billing or team access might be affected. If you have collaborators, let them know beforehand so they aren't surprised by workflows going offline. To finish, confirm the deletion by clicking Delete Account again in the confirmation dialog. The second confirmation is intentional. It ensures you don't remove the workspace by mistake. Once confirmed, the account and workspace will be queued for deletion, your automations will stop, and access will be revoked. That's it. You've navigated from the Workflows page into the Admin panel through Manage and Workspace, and used the Delete Account controls to remove n8n from your cloud workspace. If your goal was only to pause automations, consider disabling specific workflows next time instead of deleting the entire account. Otherwise, you're all set. Your workspace is removed and no further action is needed.